high into those 250s. I mean, if we really, I tell you what, if we get anything over 220, for that matter, quite honestly, even over 200, the dollar, this over here, the dollar yen is going to shoot. On the other hand, on the low side, 112, I think if we see anything, 140, 150, for sure we'll see the opposite. And that is the dollar will probably do this against the yen, and then we'll probably see euro yen, pound dollar, but more euro dollar. Definitely get back up to the 37, and then probably definitely challenge that and try to get back or get up to this area up here. I would probably here to say that numbers will come in somewhere around the forecast. I don't see us going much higher. If anything, we might come in a bit lower. My view based on what we've had. Yeah, the number is 148. 148, so you can see how the euro took off. And you can see we're well into buy zones and sell zones. Any of our savvy traders, you might have done something at these extreme levels. You saw euro dollar, how it used the 40s there. If you got in there and you went short, you've got some points. If you got in the dollar yen at 90, again, these were extreme levels. These were areas of our savvy traders. And you're in and you're out, and you should have already some points in the bank. Let's see here how this one responds. We saw this put the brakes on. Let's see if it works out now. All right, so normally what we would do here is bring the stop down quickly, minimize the damage, start collecting. And we're going to go ahead and leave a position running. You got a pound dollar over here also trying to do similar stuff. Put a really tight stop on that one. Again, hitting resistance areas in a third sell zone. And there goes euro dollar. And what we want to do really is trade down in the direction of the move. But we want to wait for a retracement. I would say for euro dollar, I'd like something down here close to this mid-teens, if we could get that quickly to get in on the long side. This area right now for support, and let's see if 29 does the job. You can see my stop is basically a 4 or 5 point stop there, and that's what we want traders to work with. We give you very specific entries. As you get better and better at understanding this, you're able to do that. You're able to work with very tight stops. You start trusting the mathematics, and we know that this is a 4-hour support level here. We could break through it and come down to, like I said, 17, 18, which would be really the next place where we would want to buy. But right now, this is a good one that, based on this market, we should make some points. You see this euro dollar yen over here providing points. What you would do here is definitely you would move your stop up to lock in some points at this time. And this one here, again, you'd want to collect. You've got 11, 12 points. You want to go ahead and collect on that. Just took one position out, and I'm going to bring my stop up to lock in some more profit and see if we can get a little bit higher. See if we can make maybe 20 on the remaining position. Dollar yen, I've already locked in some profit, but I didn't get out when I had points, since I was busy over here explaining to you guys the euro dollar trade. I haven't used right now a stop that's larger than 5 points. Initially I get in and I have a 10-point stop, but I quickly move that stop up to about -5. I collect and I lock in profit on the remaining positions. You can see this one here came back and tapped me out at 29 or 31, which is what I had at the I had a trailing stop. All right, so here we go. Here we go. This is an active pound dollar trade. Let's tighten our stop up. We've got a 3-point stop on this now. All right, so what I would do is I would collect here on my entry on this on this pound dollar trade. Excellent. We always love to see positive points being generated. So